So I deleted all videos which were there on my channel and finally decided to start over from scratch.
Since the past 2 months, I've been thinking, are the videos which I make really benefiting a lot of you guys? If not, what can I do to really help or improve the value that I give through my videos? I've been thinking a lot, and here's what I feel. Okay, so I admit that when I started my YouTube journey, I started to make videos just for fun, which was a mistake. But you see, I understood this one thing right now. If you're giving me a second of your time going through my videos, it really means a lot because it is your time and you could have chosen to do anything else in that time. But you chose to turn up to watch my video. And this made me realize I really should be putting long hours of research before I deliver a piece of content to you. In order for that content to be really valuable. So here it goes. Every day I will make it a point to learn a little more about finance, productivity, about starting up, how to grow a business, and in general, how to lead a better life. With your time that you share with me, I will make it a point that anytime you guys turn up to my channel and watch any of my videos, it really adds some value to you or you learn something new out of it. It only makes sense when the effort is both ways. Speaking about both way efforts, the videos from now on will be of very defined lengths, and by that I mean the length will be only to the point that I can provide value and nothing more or less than that.
And it is now time for the final announcement.
So I am starting a blog covering entrepreneurship, productivity, personal finances, and investing. So every morning you can sit with a cup of tea or coffee, whichever you prefer, and you can go through an article which will be sent to you via mail. This article will contain things like what is the difference between a current and savings account, a blog on taxes, how to get into real estate, how to get started with investing, and much more. Link in the description, by the way. Either ways, had a fun time making this video for you guys. Bye bye.